Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Nvidia faces potential sell-off amid price momentum concerns, while the Fed's core PCE inflation gauge rises as expected. Elon Musk's xAI trains its Grok AI chatbot using X posts, and Pitney Bowes offloads its e-commerce business to Stored. Warner Bros. Discovery sues NBA over Amazon telecast rights, and 3 million enjoys a record stock surge with an optimistic outlook. Meanwhile, Dexcom hits a multi-year low following downgrades, and Bank of America warns that the S&P's Mag 7 could be vulnerable to payroll data shifts. Stay tuned after the short ad break for more details on these stories. Nvidia stock, listed on the Nasdaq as Nvidia, may continue to decline short-term, says Raymond James. The stock is down 7.2% over 5 days and 8% in July. Analyst Javed Mirza notes a mechanical sell signal and potential for further decline to $94.94 if it closes below its 50-day moving average.
The U.S. Commerce Department reports the core personal consumption expenditures price index, excluding food and energy, rose 0.2% in June, up from 0.1% in May. Year over year, it increased by 2.6%. Personal income grew by 0.2%, while personal spending rose by 0.3%. The Federal Reserve's rate cut for September is now uncertain due to these figures.
Elon Musk's xAI chatbot, Grok, now uses posts from X, formerly Twitter, to train its models. Users weren't informed but can opt out via the web under Settings, Privacy and Safety, Data Sharing and Personalization. Musk claims xAI uses the world's most powerful AI training cluster.
Logistics startup Stored is acquiring the e-commerce fulfillment services of Pitney Bowes, according to a report. Pitney Bowes stock rose 7.6% in after-hours trading. The company has been under pressure from activist investor Hestia Capital Management and recently appointed Lance Rosenzweig as interim CEO.
Warner Bros. Discovery has sued the National Basketball Association for breach of contract after the league signed a broadcasting deal with Amazon. The lawsuit claims Turner Broadcasting System, now part of Warner Bros., had rights to match third-party offers but was ignored. The NBA's new $76 billion deal excludes longtime partners TNT and TBS. Warner Bros. Stock rose nearly 4% despite being down 27% this year.
3 million company experienced its largest one-day gain since 1980, surging 23% on Friday. This came after better-than-expected second-quarter earnings and an improved full-year outlook. New CEO Bill Brown plans to simplify operations and boost performance, despite ongoing challenges from past legal settlements and a healthcare business spin-off.
Dexcom shares hit a 4-year low after the company cut its full-year revenue outlook and reported mixed second-quarter results. The stock saw its largest intraday drop ever, with nearly 48.5 million shares traded. J.P. Morgan and Baird downgraded Dexcom, citing self-inflicted issues and competition from Abbott Laboratories.
Bank of America warns that the dominance of the Magnificent Seven tech stocks on the S&P 500 could be threatened by a U.S. economic slowdown. The Nasdaq 100 has dropped nearly 4% in July as investors shift to small-cap stocks, driven by expectations of rate cuts. Market bulls see this correction as healthy, while bears fear it signals deeper issues.
Thanks for tuning in to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us tomorrow for more insights and updates on the financial world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Farewell until tomorrow. Have a good one wherever you are.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.